Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you how to make an easy spinach and crunchy chickpea salad. This is very healthy, full of proteins, and it's delicious as well. So let's get started. For the chickpea and spinach salad, we would need of course the crunchy chickpeas. I'll link in the description below how to make these crunchy chickpeas. It's super easy and they're delicious as well as a snack or even for your salad. One small avocado, a red onion, a small bunch of parsley, about 50 grams of spinach or one handful, one carrot, a large tomato or two small ones, one lemon, and just a bit of fennel, as well olive oil and salt and pepper to adjust the flavors. So before we'll start our salad, what I will prepare first, it will be the onion. Because I'm using one full onion, what I want to do is just to marinate and to remove that bitterness from it. So I'm just going to dice it and to marinate into a mixture of half of the lemon and just a little bit of water. Finished with the onion, we'll prepare the rest of the ingredients. So I'll just grate the carrot. I'll slice the onion. I will clean the avocado as well, the fennel and the spinach as well, and the parsley. So now all the ingredients are prepared. I will make for the salad a quick dressing, which is very easy as well and a very good addition to this salad. So I'll add in a jar. You can use a mason jar or anything else, but it's important to be a jar, something that you can mix in. So about 15 ml of olive oil, the juice from the lemon, from half of the lemon, salt and pepper. Give it a good mix by closing the lid and shaking it for about 30 to 40 seconds. Now, after we are finished with all the ingredients, just set them aside and transfer everything into a large bowl because you need space to mix it. So into a large bowl, place the spinach, the onions, the tomatoes, the carrots, the fennel, the parsley, the avocado, and as well top it with the chickpeas, and at the end just put the dressing and give it a mix. So this is my recipe of chickpea and spinach salad. It's delicious, it's full of protein, it's interesting as well, and it's healthy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new to my channel. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday a new healthy, interesting and quick recipe. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.